A lot of people think that taking action against climate change is all or nothing, that you're either like this social justice, eco-justice warrior, or you do nothing. And the truth is, we need everyone to take action. You don't have to be perfect. That's not the goal. The goal is not to make everyone a perfect, environmentalist activist, and that doesn't exist.
What is wrong? Well, there's a lot.
Rising CO2 emissions, causing extreme weather.
Global warming, sea level rise.
All of this, so obvious change happening so fast. I'm Eve, and I'm originally from Montclair, New Jersey.
Wesley Wiggins. I'm from Washington, D.C. originally.
I'm studying EEB, which is Ecology and Evolutionary Biology.
I am a junior in the Geosciences department.
I applied to Princeton as a Spanish major, but the more I learned about climate change, the more I felt compelled to take action.
I just really wanted to learn more about how the Earth worked, and I would use how the Earth worked to figure out where did we go wrong, what's wrong, and eventually figure out how do we bring it back to how it's supposed to work normally.
I'm not gonna lie and say that it's easy to know about these things and know about all of the issues that are facing our Earth and are facing our generation.
And I think about it for too long. I get really afraid about what the future will look like. I know it's kind of early for me to think about this, but when I have a family, what world am I going to grow what world are my children going to grow up in?
I think there's a very dark, sarcastic humor that I find with a lot of environmentalists that helps us see, what's funny about what's going on.
And then we try to go about our normal lives, but at some point we won't be able to anymore, and that's definitely frightening.
I'm 19. I'm actually going to be 20 in January.
I'm 19.
The thing is that we need is just people who want to do better and are trying to do better and are asking, the powers that be to do better. Not asking, demanding.
I can see that it's growing. The climate movement is definitely growing.
And so I really truly believe that things can get better and that we can stay below the amount of warming that makes this world inhabitable.
Oh, let's just get on a spaceship and go to Mars and live there. And I was like, yeah, if you only want the rich to go there, because if that happens, there's not going to be enough space on the spacecraft to transport 7 billion people and growing to another planet. It's definitely the poor people that are getting left behind, and that's why I don't like hearing people say that, because it's entirely unrealistic to save an entire planet by moving to some other planet. And I think about all the places the United States, even in such a powerful country, we leave so many people behind already that it really does make me question is the system we have built for this? I think we should save this planet.